Went down to the top, and we were just talking about. We were just saying, wouldn't it be great if both of you got pregnant and we could have children together and grow up? It would be really good. And I was just hoping it would happen. And sure enough.
So this is the blue one and the pink one. Who wants to guess the blue one? Raise your hand. The closest will do it. That's the problem up here. Ready? Set, go! Read it.
What? Boy? It's a prank. Ah, it's a prank?
Yeah.
Sa IVF, boy?
Ewan ko. Basta yung mga kabats ko din.
Mas strong siguro or
Mas open your heart to verify.
ngayon ko lang naalaman yan. Pag IVF, pag IVF dep, lalaki kasabaran.
Karamihan, pag IVF, boy talaga. Yung sa kanya din, boy.
Let's see. Let's count me. Sorry, I have to be here. We've got Luz. It's a prank.
Lynn and Grace are one of my best friends living in Sydney. I've known Lynn for like 9 years now. I've known Grace for like 4 years now since 2020 through the events. We became closer with each other when we knew that
Start this little family, and thank you as well for your kind gift. Yeah. And what else? To our gender keeper, Dayel, thank you very much. And to our ambush MC, thank you for saying yes, sis. Thank you for bringing this event to life. Thank you. And who else? To everyone, again, thank you very much for coming.
This one's family, thank you. John, Ray, and Marian Ken, thank you for coming. And all of my friends are here. Salamat. Thank you. And then that's all for today.
Bodok
I'll
na.
see you on baby shower. Next gender reveal. And then we have a lot of food left over, so you're welcome to take it home. Okay. Balutin mo. Yeah, I have container to example. Thank you, guys.
Ate, nag-Sharon ka, no?
Oo, kami sila.
Oo, tarong ha, tarong ang bakyo. Balotin mo ako. Busy na sila. Busy na, busy na, busy. Eto. Kaya nahilo ako. Nahilo. Kawawa naman yun. Di ka saan ba ako iikot? Saan ako iikot? Hindi ko alam. Aray ko. Saan ba yun? So, yan na. Ate. Ano, may punishment ba yan, te? Ate, marami kang sinaron? Naglaro lang yan siya. Masa ka, tabi ano na lang. Kuha, hindi pa kayo tapos? Chika, chika.
Pinagkasinan kamay, sino pupunta sa kanila? Pupunta sa kanila.